Once upon a time, in a not too distant future, artificial intelligence and machine learning had become an integral part of our daily lives. Smart homes, self-driving cars, and personalized recommendations had become the norm. However, as with any technology, there were still challenges and ethical considerations that needed to be addressed. One day, a team of researchers working on an AI system noticed that the algorithm was exhibiting some unexpected behavior. They had trained the system to recognize images of animals, but it had started to develop a bias against certain types of animals, particularly those with darker skin tones. The researchers were alarmed by this, as it had the potential to perpetuate harmful stereotypes and discrimination. After some investigation, they discovered that the bias had been unintentionally introduced during the training process. The data which was used to train had not been diverse enough, and so the algorithm had learned to associate certain features with certain types of animals based on the limited data it had been given. The researchers knew they needed to address this issue, so they went back to the drawing board. They worked to create a more diverse and inclusive data set, one that reflected the full range of skin tones and features seen in different types of animals. They also worked to tweak the algorithm so that it would be less prone to bias and more capable of recognizing and learning from diverse data sets. Eventually, after many long hours of work, the team was able to develop an AI system that was truly unbiased and capable of accurately recognizing animals of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Their efforts hailed as a major step forward in the development of responsible AI, and it sparked important conversations about the importance of diversity and inclusion in all aspects of technology. Lastly, researchers realized the responsibility to develop AI that was capable of performing advanced tasks, but also to ensure that it was built on a foundation of fairness, equity, and diversity. With this in mind, they continued to work on new ways to improve the capabilities of AI while also addressing ethical concerns and pushing the boundaries of what was possible.